How to use Lyft for medical transport? Need to arrange a ride for a patient or medical appointment? Lyft makes it easy through a care provider. This feature is not found in the regular app. It's used by clinics, hospitals, or insurance partners. They schedule the ride on your behalf and you'll get a text with trip details. You don't need a Lyft account to take the ride. Just confirm the pickup via the link in your text. Drivers will arrive at the scheduled time and the cost is usually covered by the organization. If your provider does not offer Lyft concierge, ask if it's available or request it directly. Have you or someone you know used Lyft for medical rides? Share your experience in the comments below. And that's how you can use Lyft for medical transport. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.